Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In last week's video, I shared with you simple but elegant fall DIYs using inexpensive items like these maple leaf placemats that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. I have a few more fall decor ideas to share with you, so let's get started. For idea number one, I'm using two of these frame wood boards that I picked up from Michael's on sale for around $6. I'm covering my first board with off-white faux leather from Dollar Tree. I'm covering my second board with the same faux leather in the color black. It's been about 20 minutes, and I'm going to use a sharp pair of scissors to cut away the excess on the 10-inch side. For the 20-inch side, instead of cutting the fabric, I've decided to fold it over instead. Unfortunately, I couldn't find my electric stapler, so here I'm using hot glue. You'll notice here that I didn't add the Mod Podge to the side of the second board. I found it much easier to grip the fabric without it. So adding the Mod Podge to the sides of the board was completely optional. An hour later, I glued both boards together with wood glue. Next, I used a strong adhesive to glue my Dollar Tree placemat right to the center. To my unfinished sides, I'm adding this glitter acrylic paint, also from Dollar Tree. To complete the project, I signed my name to my design, and here's how idea number 1 turned out. For idea number 2, I'm using Dollar Tree maple leaf faux flowers. I spray painted my faux flowers gold, and while those were drying, I covered a Dollar Tree 18-inch wreath form with burlap ribbon. Now that my maple leaves are completely dry, I cut them from their stems, and then I used hot glue to attach them to my wreath form. As you can see, I'm only adding the hot glue down the center of each leaf. I continued to add and layer my leaves until my wreath was completely covered. In total, I used about 7 bunches of the flowers to get the fullness I was looking for, and here's how idea number 2 turned out. I absolutely love how both fall projects turned out. I think they're beautiful, but what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. Metallic gold is my go-to accent color for the fall season, and I'm excited to share more fall DIYs with you in my upcoming videos. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!